Hi, welcome back to Passion Bistro. In this video, I'm going to share with you the recipe that went viral and took the social media by storm. It's a super simple and yet extremely delicious feta cheese pasta. I'm doing this recipe on the personal request from many of my viewers and friends. In your oven dish, just throw in some cherry tomatoes, 7 to 8 flakes of garlic, a generous amount of olive oil, some freshly milled pepper, and salt, season with oregano. Place a block of feta cheese about 200 grams and season it with some more oregano. And drizzle olive oil again. Spice it up with some chili flakes. Now pop it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 patient minutes. These tomatoes, garlic and cheese have all become nice and soft. Give it all a good mash and mix treatment. I'm getting the divine aroma of the seasoning along with that of the roasted garlic. Add in the boiled pasta. Boil the pasta following the instructions on the packet. Toss them all up. Don't forget to add the fresh basil to it. It not only gives the subtle sweet taste but also adds in additional freshness to the pasta. I've begun to feel really hungry now. I can't resist. I'm going to take my share of pasta. Wow, absolutely delicious. Now quickly grab your baking dish and get started. Believe me, you'll love it. Here we've come to the end of yet another recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. Be sure to drop a like on this video and do consider subscribing for more recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, stay safe, eat healthy.